Welcome to
English, easy and fun.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Easy and Fun. I'm Tom.
And I'm Jerry. We're so happy to see you here today.
If you want to speak English naturally and confidently every day, you are in the right place.
On this channel, we practice real-life English conversations that you can use in your daily life.
Before we begin, please subscribe to English Easy and Fun.
Yes, turn on the notification bell so you never miss our new English practice videos.
Every video is designed to improve your speaking, listening, vocabulary, pronunciation, and confidence.
The more you practice with us, the more fluent your English will become.
Don't just watch. Listen carefully, repeat every sentence, and practice aloud.
Remember, speaking English is a skill. The more you practice, the better you become.
Great. Let's begin today's daily English conversation. Good morning, Jerry. How are you today?
Good morning, Tom. I'm doing great. Thank you. How about you?
I'm wonderful. I slept well, woke up early, and I'm ready for a productive day.
That's great to hear. Starting the day with a positive attitude is always helpful.
Absolutely. What did you do after waking up this morning?
First, I made my bed. Then I brushed my teeth, washed my face, and drank a glass of water.
That's a healthy routine. Drinking water early in the morning is a good habit.
Yes, it helps me feel fresh and energetic.
Did you have breakfast?
Yes, I had bread, eggs, and a banana. It was simple but delicious.
Healthy food gives us energy for the whole day.
That's true. What did you have for breakfast?
I had oatmeal, milk, and an apple.
That sounds healthy too.
Jerry, do you practice English every day?
Yes, I do. I practice English for at least 1 hour every day.
Really? What do you usually do during your practice?
I listen to English conversations, read short stories, learn new vocabulary, and speak in front of a mirror.
Speaking in front of a mirror is a smart idea.
It helps me improve my pronunciation and confidence.
Many students are afraid of making mistakes.
That's normal. Everyone makes mistakes while learning.
Exactly. Mistakes are part of learning.
The important thing is to keep practicing and never give up.
I completely agree.
Tom, what is the biggest challenge when learning English?
I think speaking confidently is the biggest challenge.
Why do you think so?
Because many learners know grammar and vocabulary, but they don't practice speaking enough.
That's true. Practice is the key to success.
Do you learn new words every day?
Yes. I try to learn at least 5 new words daily and use them in sentences.
That's an excellent habit.
What about you?
I also watch English videos, read English articles, and repeat conversations aloud.
Repetition is very important.
Yes. The more we repeat, the better we remember.
Do you think watching English conversation videos is helpful?
Of course. They teach us real-life expressions and natural pronunciation.
That's why I love practicing with English Easy and Fun.
Me too. Every lesson gives us confidence to speak English.
Dear friends, don't just listen to us.
Pause the video and repeat every sentence after us.
Practice every day, even if it's only 15 or 20 minutes.
Small daily practice creates big improvement.
Never compare yourself with others.
Compare yourself with who you were yesterday.
Every new word you learn is another step toward fluency.
Every practice makes you a better English speaker.
We believe in you.
Keep learning.
Keep practicing.
Keep smiling.
And never stop speaking English.
If you enjoyed today's conversation, don't forget to like this video.
Share it with your friends and family who also want to improve their English.
And most importantly, subscribe to English Easy and Fun for more daily English conversation practice.
Thank you for practicing with us today.
Jerry, I think learning English becomes much easier when we use it in our daily life.
I completely agree. If we only memorize grammar rules but never speak, we will never become fluent.
Exactly. Speaking every day is the secret to improving English.
Tom, how can beginners practice English at home?
There are many easy ways. They can read English books, listen to English conversations, watch English videos, learn new words, and speak aloud every day.
That's true. Even talking to yourself in English is good practice.
Yes, don't wait for a perfect partner. Start speaking today.
Many students ask me, what should I do if I don't know enough vocabulary?
My answer is always the same. Start with simple words and simple sentences.
That's right. Nobody becomes fluent in one day.
Learning English is like climbing a mountain. You move one step at a time.
Small improvements every day create big success in the future.
Let's practice some daily questions.
Great idea!
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning.
What do you do after waking up?
I brush my teeth, wash my face, exercise for a few minutes, and then have breakfast.
Do you read English every day?
Yes, I read at least one English article or one short story every day.
That's a wonderful habit.
Thank you. What about listening practice?
I listen to English podcasts and conversation videos every evening.
Listening carefully helps us understand natural English.
Yes, and repeating the sentences helps improve pronunciation.
Tom, some students feel shy when speaking English.
That's normal. Everyone feels nervous at first.
So, what should they do?
They should stop worrying about mistakes and focus on communication.
I like that advice. Communication is more important than perfection.
Exactly. Confidence grows with practice.
Let's talk about learning new words.
Good idea.
I always write new words in a notebook.
That's very useful.
Then I make 2 or 3 sentences with each new word.
Excellent. That helps you remember the words for a long time.
Also, review those words every weekend.
Revision is one of the most important parts of learning.
Without revision, we forget many things.
That's absolutely true.
Friends, if you're watching this video, don't stay silent.
Repeat every sentence after us.
Speak loudly and clearly.
Don't worry if your pronunciation isn't perfect.
Improvement comes step by step.
Every minute you spend practicing English is an investment in your future.
English can help you in education, jobs, travel, business, and communication with people around the world.
That's why we should never stop learning.
We also encourage you to practice with your friends or family.
And if no one is available, practice in front of a mirror.
The important thing is to speak every single day.
Friends, if this conversation is helping you, don't forget to support English Easy and Fun by subscribing to the channel.
like the video, and share it with anyone who wants to improve their English speaking skills.
Now, let's continue with even more useful daily English conversations and practical speaking situations in the next part of our learning journey. Jerry, we've learned so many useful things today. I think this is the perfect time to review the most important lessons.
I agree, Tom. Learning English is not only about studying, it's about practicing every single day.
Exactly. Many people ask, how can I become fluent in English?
The answer is simple. Practice consistently, stay patient, and never stop learning.
That's right. Fluency doesn't happen overnight. It comes step by step.
Every new word you learn and every sentence you speak brings you closer to your goal.
Some learners become disappointed because they make mistakes.
But mistakes are our best teachers. Every mistake helps us improve.
So never be afraid to speak English.
Speak with confidence, even if your English isn't perfect.
Confidence grows through practice, not through perfection.
That's a wonderful point.
Jerry, what are the 4 most important English skills?
Reading, writing, listening, and speaking.
Which one should beginners focus on first?
They should practice all 4, but they should spend extra time speaking and listening because communication is the main goal.
That's excellent advice.
I also recommend learning a few new words every day.
And don't forget to use those words in your own sentences.
Exactly. If you only memorize words without using them, you'll forget them quickly.
Practice makes words become part of your daily vocabulary.
Another important habit is thinking in English.
Yes. Try to describe your daily activities in English.
For example, you can say, I'm making breakfast, I'm going to school, or I'm reading a book.
These simple sentences improve your speaking naturally.
Tom, do you think watching English conversation videos is useful?
Absolutely. They help us learn natural expressions, correct pronunciation, and real-life conversations.
That's why we created these lessons for everyone.
We want English learning to be easy, enjoyable, and practical.
Friends, don't just watch this video once.
Watch it again tomorrow.
Repeat every sentence aloud.
Copy our pronunciation.
Practice with your friends.
Practice with your family.
Or practice alone in front of a mirror.
The important thing is to speak English every single day.
Remember, small daily practice creates big results.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video and share it with your friends.
And don't forget to subscribe to English Easy and Fun for more English conversations.
On this channel, you can improve your speaking, listening, vocabulary, pronunciation, and everyday English.
Practice with us regularly, and you will become more confident day by day.
Thank you for watching and spending your valuable time with us.
We truly appreciate your support, and we can't wait to see you again.
Until our next lesson, keep learning and stay healthy.
Goodbye, everyone. See you soon on English Easy and Fun.